So when you get a mosquito bite, it can get really itchy really fast. But there's a lot of ways to stop the itch from and feel better. So one simple trick is to use ice. Did you know that? Put a cold ice patch or a cube of ice on the bite for a few minutes. The cold helps numb the area and reduces the itching. Also try putting something like calamine lotion or hydrocortisone cream on the bite. So these creams can help stop the itch and make the bump go away faster. So if you don't have those, try dabbing a bit of baking soda, mixing it with water, or even toothpaste on the bite. It might sound strange, but these things can help calm the itch. Another tip is to not scratch the bite. Even though it's tempting, scratching can actually make the bite worse and take longer to heal. If you're getting lots of bites, try wearing bug spray. That helps when you go outside. And it helps keep the mosquitoes away so you don't get bitten in the first place. And finally, if the itch is really bothering you, ask an adult for acethylamine. I hope I'm saying it right. Acethylamine medicine. This helps the itching with the bug bites. All right? Ciao.